Welcome to my channel and to my messy table. So, this is my LRP Blast TC rally modified for the Bloccatutto Championship 2021. Despite the pandemic, I hope that they're gonna let us race. I installed the strut tower from the buggy. The sway bar is useless, doesn't work at all. I need to find a solution. Although this is how it's sitting. The rear end and yeah. To achieve more excursion, I had to cut here. Also in the front. The body that I'm using is the Fiat Abarth 131 Mirafiori Volume X supercharged. Hold on, I'm trying to find the hose. This is it. Inspired by Paolo Diana, Ti Voglio Racing, Romagna Motorsport Rally icon. And this is it. This beautiful OZ rim, they are from Tamiya, if you need them. Yeah, 24mm width rims. The tire are MST Max Speed Technology. I found them on eBay. And here we go, ready for rallying. Oh, RC rallying, my bad.